way to prepare the hot dog for the grill is to do a spiral cut. You have to soak the wooden skewer first and then pierce it through, just like so. And then cut the hot dog diagonally and then just spread it around. That way the hot dog cooks through inside as well and it becomes crispy. Another way to grill hot dogs is to wrap them in bacon. I have a pretty thick slices of bacon here, so I'm gonna cut them in half and I'm just gonna wrap around just like that. And the third way is just stab it with forks a few times. We dump out the coal on one side to create 2 heat zones. Now we put in the grill grates back on. We're gonna let them heat up and then we'll clean them. We oiled the grill grates pretty nicely and we're gonna place the spiral cut sausages over the direct heat as well as the regular sausages. We're gonna place the bacon wrapped over the indirect heat zone. Just like so. In the meantime, we're gonna place the buns on the indirect heat so that it toasts a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. It's been just a couple of minutes. And the spiral hot dogs are cooking beautifully. We are going to flip the buns now. They've only been cooking for a couple of minutes. I like them to be really well toasted, so just keep flipping the sausages so that they don't get burnt. The buns look nice and we can go ahead and take them off. The spiral sausages are done because they're pretty charred already. Spiral sausages get cooked very quickly because of the way they're cut. And of course the bacon wrapped sausages will take a while because the bacon will need to cook through. We're gonna take these ones off. We're gonna cover up the bacon wrapped sausages and give it about 15 minutes. Add some sauerkraut, Parmesan cheese, and some mustard.